These railway engineers, professionally trained manpower working closely as a team. Our plant is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, and we are poised to create a new trend in the maintenance of rolling stocks. Wheels, as seen on wagons and passenger coaches, are the lifeblood of a railroad system. They carry heavy loads on rails made of metal. These workforce are cohesively in close contact with each other as trains run. Apparently, after some time, the wheels need maintenance due to certain degree of damage or worn-out surface. This is the most critical part of wheels in motion. If left unattended, it may spell disaster, including derailing of coaches. As such, it calls for immediate maintenance in the form of profiling and disking. Why require profiling and disking? The secret of safety lies in the proper maintenance of wheels and axles of the train. They are given special attention to create a safety system in order to reduce risk to the minimum for smooth run of trains. Profiling and redisking are technical processes in making good, worn-out wheels and axles so that they are safe for subsequent usage. The machine shop receives worn-out wheels for maintenance. They are immediately taken up for the first step of work, that is QC inspection. The worn-out wheels must go through quality control procedures to verify the status of the wheels. Experienced hands run through each wheel with electronic measuring gauge, carrying on axle inspection, wheel diameter checking, and flange measurement. Removal of roller bearing takes place soon after. Both ends of the wheels are carefully pressed out to remove bearings. This is called demounting of bearing. Bearing extractor is used for demounting of bearings from wheel set. Close by, another important work is in progress. That is ultrasonic test. Cracks and other defects of the axle is assessed from data obtained from the ultrasonic testing and standard measurement procedures. It is immediately known whether it is to be reused or rejected totally. Profiling process. The wheels marked for maintenance are lifted to CNC wheel profiling machine. This is where wheels are profiled to the desired dimension and measurements. The process runs up to a maximum duration of 10 to 25 minutes per wheel set. This highly skilled work is done under close scrutiny by high-tech CNC machine. The system has remote troubleshooting facilities and fitted with OGS, operated guided system, to ensure highest quality output. It is computer controlled and efficiently done, removing metal chips from the profiling surface. The wheel is neatly finished to the required profile accuracy and precision. The CNC machine operating guidance system is programmed to minimize and optimize the material removal process, of which benefit the life of wheels in long term. Disking process consists of wheel boring, wheel pressing. In this process, the bore of the wheel are turned to the required bore size. The axle size and wheel boring must be at interference of the wheel at 0.02 mm wheel seat of the axle. Wheel surface is very smooth with high RA values. The bored new wheel is pressed for tight fit in wheel press machine. At this juncture, it is to be properly lubricated and is pressed under 70 to 100 tonnage force weight, which is closely monitored by PLC monitor. Pressing the axles to the new disc should not exceed the range. Again, the whole process of work is under stringent quality control checking. During this process, the track gauge are monitored and ensured the proper gauge are controlled. This machine can press to the maximum level pressure of 500 metric ton force. Bearing is one of the most important components of the train. After being dismantled, bearings are taken to the bearing shop for bearing services. Here, bearing rollers and all other components are thoroughly cleaned through steps of services offered by the bearing shop. Again, they are inspected for damages and checked by feeler gauge. They are to be discarded and replaced even if little damages are found during inspection. Assembly shop is a place where wheels and axles that have been rectified will be assembled with a serviced bearing and finally inspected. The safe wheels and axles are now ready for use. They are marked with different colors and codes to signify different tonnages and functions. The safe wheels and axles are now ready for use in rolling stock.